Howdy everyone! In this video we're going to talk about financial statement analysis, which gives you an overview of a business or project's viability, stability, and profitability. It helps decision makers assess economic and financial situations, and they also help find relationships within the numbers so a business can determine its strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we're going to talk about the three main financial statements, which are income statement, cash flow statements, and the balance sheet. An income statement helps record a company's income, expenses, profit, or loss over a period of time. In other words, it helps show the revenue earned by the businesses and the operating costs expended. Now, a cash flow statement helps show the movement of cash and where it is being used or generated, and they're great to help identify or eliminate shortfalls or overflow in cash projections. And finally, we have the balance sheet, which are used to showcase the company's assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Note that when adding up the total amount of liabilities and shareholders' equity, they must always equal the amount of assets. In general, it helps show the financial position of a company at any given moment. And now I'm going to talk about the financial statements templates. Just go over that. Here we have a single step income statement where it shows your revenues, your expenses, and your net income. It is a great way to determine what is happening between 2019 and 2020. I also have a multi-step income statement where cost of goods sold is included, and it also compares your years between 2019 and 2020 just to see where everything is going. Next, we have the cash flow statements. And this cash flow statement is just where your cash is going during the 1 year. If you want to be more specific, you can use a 12-month cash flows, which you can see where your your cash is going every month, starting from January, ending in December, or you can do a 3-year cash flow. So you can just compare your years. In this example, it shows 2017, 2018, and 2019. And finally, we have the balance sheet example, where this summary just shows the overview of your assets, your liabilities, and your equity. And you can compare 2019 and 2020. Or if you want to be more specific, you can go to the assets tab and you can see what asset type, like your current assets, your fixed assets, or other assets, and the description. If you just a description like your inventories, your account receivables, or your equity and other investments. And finally, we have the liabilities and shareholder equity tab, where, like, again, you will see the liability type and the description. You can see what type of current liability, like accounts payable, accrued wages. It's just a good way to see more specifically. And this concludes the video of financial statement analysis. As you can see, it's a very important tool to know because it just shows where the company is standing, if they're doing well, if they're doing bad, where they can improve on. It's just a very good thing to know.